Hello and welcome to the bee swarm. Don't you love my avatar? It's so cute. How do I have 60? Whatever. So like I've played this before on my main. But I didn't want to use that for YouTube, so I'm just getting a new one. Oh my god, I'm so used to having a parachute that I like. Okay, step 1, get a quest from Black Bear. Wait, no, I already have one. Okay, let's go. Let's see, how much is the next thing? Not you, not you, not you, not you. Okay, 800 honey. Attack. We must murder this. I don't know what to say. Anyways, murder. Okay, whatever. Slave, get over here. Get over here before I whack you with the shovel. Work harder. Okay. Okay. How do I have exactly 200 pollen? Okay. So like, I'd be playing with a friend, but they're all dead. So like, deal with it. Oh my god, 400 honey. I'm so happy. I know you're all yelling at me to get the free items or stuff. The back of this backpack looks like I'm wearing a bun. Yay. I can now attack my bee better. Get pollen better. Oh my god, my stupid bag is full. My stupid caca bag. My bag sucks. Hurry up, bee. Whack. 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 Go faster before I rip this honeycomb out of the hive. Oh my god! Did I just say hummy storm? Okay. So like, that was cool. So cool. Anyways, now I can get better gear. Yay! Okay, let's go. ASMR. Hashtag ASMR. Asmer. I can only buy this. Okay, I can buy the scissors. Come on, besties. I must murder this pollen. Okay. So y'all are probably yelling at me for not getting bees, so time to get some. I am now still considered poor. This one hive slot not used is attacking me. Yay, a bumblebee. I will probably cut like half of this out because I am like not talking at all. I need a friend. Anyways, I have another Black Bear quest done. So like guys, if you want this to turn into a series, like comment or something. Like, I'm totally not saying this for views. Totally. Like, why would I ever do that? Okay. Hurry up or I'll cut your wings off and eat them for dinner. That's not fast enough. Okay, I don't need you anyways. I don't even want you. I'm replacing you. Oh, I forgot this moves existed. Like, how do I play this for like a year, still suck at the game, and always forget places exist? Like, I'm really confused. Oh my god, 5 tickets. I'm so happy. Okay, I should really stop saying okay. There's nothing here. I have wasted my time. Guys, don't play B-Swarm. It'll waste your time. I mean this as a joke on it. Works really hard on these updates, and you should really play them. And stop attacking him. Stop attacking him for not updating. Oh my god, I need the star jelly. Okay, I have that. Now I'll get this microconverters. Did I just say this microconverters? I think I did. Anyways, let's put those in our inventory. Bees attack the woman bug. I'm probably going to be attacked for not getting the brown bear quest by now, but like, I don't care. Oh my god, a thing. Okay, I literally got 600 red pollen. Like, stop attacking me. I should really stop overusing that line. But I really don't care. Okay. Guys, should I become a menace to society? I don't think I will. Ah, bees, hurry up. It's jellies. Wait, no, these aren't jellies, they're gumdrops. Bees, this is all your fault. If you would have actually been useful for once, maybe that wouldn't have happened. Go away and stop attacking me! Haha, you can't get off the field. It's time to break this for later. Okay. Cloverfield, Cloverfield. I hate the Cloverfield. Bees, how do you suck so much? Okay. Finally, it took you 5 years. Oh, I don't have my mother bear quest. I should go get it. Okay. Mother bear, I'm coming to steal your star eggs and star jellies and whatnot. Hello, mother bear. Hurry up. 1 treat? That's so much. I have 2. That's like, okay, where did I get all these? I don't know. Yeah, I remember now. I'm like really stupid. Sticking out your gun for the Rizzler. The 5-year-olds are gonna be entertained. Give me your next quest. That I'll do later. And Mother Bear, give me your next quest. Or my bees will sting you in the ball. Yes, I stole that. Mother Bear, like, no one cares. We only care about your star treats and star eggs. and I'm being honest. I'm so happy. Anyways, new Eggy, Ego, Wego, Schmego, Hego, Lego. Why do I keep getting beat? Whatever. I'm not complaining. Anyways, I know that quests are my main source of materials, but I'm still not doing them. Yeah, I'll do them. Did you think I was like, oh my god, you can get these this early? Oh, the strawberry gives them. I feel like really stupid. Be faster or I'll cut you in half. Okay, so before this becomes like 30 minutes long, I'm going to end this. So like, see you later.